Let's be honest, guys, Midjourney is pretty good at creating images from text. But if you're just dipping your toes into the world of AI, forking out $10 every month for training isn't feasible for everyone. For that reason, I tried all of the text-to-image generators that generate images just as well as Midjourney. Leonardo AI can be the best option. But if you're not paid user, then you won't be able to access their best feature. Some other image generator tools like Willow, DALL-E 2, or Playground are not capable as Midjourney. Then I find another awesome tool which can be called better than Midjourney. And the interesting fact is that it's free. Even you will get an opportunity of making money with this tool. I bet you will definitely like it. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Introducing Tensor Art. This completely new AI can create images like these, and to me, it's genuinely the best free alternative to Midjourney. Let's start from scratch. I'll show you how to access Tensor Art. I'll leave a link to their official site in the description under this video. After coming to the website, click on the Sign In button from top right, and a pop-up will appear. You can create a free account with your email account, but I will prefer to go with Google. After creating your account, you will get 100 free credits every day. One image will cost 1 credit, which means you will able to create 100 images per day for free. Then we're taken to this beautiful site where we'll actually be doing our work. The advantage of Tensor Art over most similar alternatives lies in the incredible variety of different models. Let me explain. In the Models tab, scroll down and all the images you see were created using different models, developed by various companies and even users. You'll be shocked, but some models create content for people over 18 which is blocked in other image generators like Midjourney or Leonardo. Unfortunately, I can't show them in the video so as not to get blocked, but if you want to check them out or even create a mature image. Alright, now for creating your image, click on Workspace from here. After coming to the Creator page first, we need to select a basic model. Click on the Basic Model drop-down menu. You will get 1,000 models in different styles and uses. You can run Stable Diffusion XL for free. Then the Anime Style, Realistic Style, Game Asset, Cartoon, Sci-Fi, and many more. Select one model according to your needed style. Next, it's LoRA, the low-ranked adaptation. It will help you to fine-tune your image, such as you trying to create a particular image and ending up with unrealistic results with hand and face distortion. Then LoRA is the solution for you. We will try it practically later, and the control net also. Next, the text prompt box. Enter your prompt here. I am entering a prompt that is generated by ChatGPT. After that, it's the negative prompt box, which means what you don't want in your image. You can generate an image from another image also with this image-to-image tool. Then it's the aspect ratio. Tensor Art default aspect ratio is 2:3, and can change it to landscape, square, even you can enter a custom aspect ratio. Here you can select how many images you want to generate at one time. I will generate 4 images. Okay, now hit the Generate button. You can see the result. It's really cool. But we can generate better images. For doing this, I will add a LoRA. Click on Add LoRA. There are a vast number of LoRA available here. Select a LoRA model which is suitable for your basic model and style. Okay, now I will regenerate the image again with the same prompt. You can see the difference. Look at the detailing. It seems the photos are taken with a high-quality camera. Lighting, composition, everything is top-notch. You can add more LoRA models to blend the fine-tuning. The next tool is Control Net. This tool represents a special variant of image-to-image prompting. It's designed for selecting the exact pose, composition, outline, brightness, and many more. Explore your creativity here. Suppose I want to create an image in a static pose. Click on the Open Pose and then select a model form here. You can enter an image or drawing as a reference also. Let's generate with this pose. Wow, it's really awesome. Isn't it? Let me know in the comments section. Now I will try the image-to-image generation tool. I am uploading a random image as a reference image. I will use the same prompt. You can see the result. Tensor Art generates images that have the image reference and also our prompt reference. Alright, now let's talk about some more advanced options of Tensor Art. It's the seed. With this tool, you can generate constant images. If you want to generate a random image, then left it blank. Next, with this hires fix, you can upscale your image. Here are different versions of upscale available here. Next, the odd teller. This tool can fix unrealistic hand and face distortion. You can add a LoRa model also. Basically, it's an advanced feature of the LoRa model. Let's generate images with these features. You can see the detailing. Just awesome. Let's try some images with different models and prompts. Alright, now let's talk about earning. If you are a developer and you have an image generator model, then you can earn money from Tensor Art. You can host your model. You will have the copyright of your model also. Tensor Art will pay you if the user runs your model. Alright, friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience with creating images with Tensor Art. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!